Hey everyone, Nicholas here and welcome back to another video on Crippled Tech. Today it's gonna be another follow-up video on the PC that I built. This will be a vlog style video because I'm alone right now and I'm holding the camera or the phone actually on my own, and I'm using the rear camera on my phone, so I don't know the framing is right or not, but I'll roll with it. And yeah, today's video will be showing you how I update my BIOS, the BIOS on my motherboard, and I'll walk you through the process of it. The PC is right here and I'm gonna need a USB drive. And yeah, let me just go to the rear. I can't see this properly. Oh god, I'm hitting the monitor. Can't plug it in, I can see. Alright, it's plugged in. Okay. Now I'm just gonna set the camera down. Alright, it should be in view. I need to go and download the newest BIOS version first. So it's B550 Aorus Pro AC. And the newest BIOS version is F14E, so let's download it and then we'll extract it. Well, first let's see if there's anything in the drive. Nope, I don't know why I call it music drive, I forgot. Extract it to the drive. Okay, now that it's in the drive, I think that's how we flash it. Now we just need to go into the BIOS. So right, I forgot to say just now, when you have there's two ways that you can get into your BIOS. One is to boot up your PC while it's off and then keep mashing the delete or F12 key on your keyboard and it will go into the BIOS. Or if your PC is on, you can go to the Windows button, and when you click restart, hold shift and then it will take you to this screen right here, and then you just troubleshoot advanced options and then UEFI settings, and then you restart, and then when it restarts it will go straight into the BIOS. Okay, now that it's in the BIOS, I need a Q flash utility, which is F8, and then yep, I need to update BIOS. And then this is it. Am I sure I want to update? Yes, I'm sure. Now it has done verifying the BIOS file. We can now press start and then it will update the BIOS. I will now speed up the progress, and I will be back when it's done. Yep, it's a F14E. Right. So let's get a closer look. Okay, now the BIOS is updated to the F14E version, and that's basically it for the BIOS update. So thank you very much for watching this another short, I think it's a short video on how the BIOS of this motherboard is updated through the conventional method that Gigabyte provides for this board. And that's gonna be it. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like the video and share it to social media, and we can grow our community. If you liked it, you can subscribe for more tech content coming right at you real soon from Crippled Tech. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.